Very good morning, children. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to deal with Class 7 CBSE. Let us see the question number 1. The moving air is called. Children, the moving air with some speeds are called wind. Coming to the question number 2. The air exerts pressure. Coming to the third question, the cyclone affects children. Basically, the cyclone affects our human kind in various forms by affecting our agriculture, transportation, communication, electricity, etc. Coming to the fourth question, dash is called the wind. Moving air is called wind. Coming to the question number 5, dash around us exerts pressure. Children, air around us exerts pressure. Coming to the sixth question, wind is dash air. Children, wind is nothing but the air that is moving fast. The moving air is called wind. The moving air is called wind. Coming to the seventh question, air expands on. Children, by this simple experiment we can prove that air expands on heating. Let us see how it is. Take 3 beakers filled with water, equally filled with water, and take 3 boiling tubes, and on one end of the boiling tube you keep a balloon, and another end of the another boiling tube you keep one more balloon. On the third beaker you keep one more balloon. Now the first beaker, the balloon is tied over the neck of the boiling tube, and this balloon that is with boiling tube is immersed in hot water. The balloon, that is the boiling tube along with the balloon that is immersed in hot water, the balloon tends to bulge where on the beaker where hot water is there, and the balloon tends to compress or squeeze where the tube along with the balloon is immersed in cold water. So hence by this experiment we can say that air expands on heating. Coming to the eighth question, warm air rises up whereas comparatively cooler air tends to sink towards the earth's surface. Coming to the ninth question, as warm air rises, air pressure at that place is dash and the cooler air moves to that place. Children, as warm air rises, the air pressure at that place is reduced and the cooler air moves at that. Coming to the 10th question, air contracts on cooling. Children, air contracts on cooling and expands on heating.